Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a forward edge, guys, and if your rear window defroster, guys, also known as rear window defogger, doesn't work, we'll explain where you can find the fuse and how to replace it. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including the first generation and this generation forward edge, guys, we are planning on making at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, guys, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement tools, replacement parts, excuse me, tools, relays, fuses, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, guys. Check it out. Usually you can get them for a good price as well. I will go ahead, open the hood, and I'll show you guys where you can expect to find that fuse now. You have a relay for the rear window defroster as well, guys, not just the fuse, you have a relay as well. So we have a video on the channel that explains where you can expect to find the relay as well, guys. So if your rear window defroster doesn't work, most likely you have a bad fuse or a bad relay. Check each one of them. Okay, videos will be on the channel. You can see the defroster, those brown lines inside, that's the heater, guys, in your rear window. So once you open the fuse box right here, okay, you can see this is your fuse box, guys, under the hood. You will be able to see the fuses and the relays. So right here we need to press in and at the same time pull up. I can actually go ahead and remove it so I can show you a little bit better. Okay, and let me explain now quick, guys. On the back side of the fuse box you can find the fuse numbers and the relay numbers printed, okay, which is super convenient, right? But you don't see, guys, okay, what those relays and those fuses are for, which is very inconvenient. And that's why we decided to make, guys, okay, to make that video and show you where you can expect to find it. So the fuse that we're looking for the rear window defroster, guys, it's fuse number 39. Okay, so checking right here, this is fuse number 39, guys. Okay, that thing right here. And looking at the fuse box, okay, let me explain where it is now. This is, guys, the fuse box right here, and this is, guys, fuse number 39, 40 amp fuse. If you need to remove it and replace it, all you have to do, okay, you can use pliers or a fuse puller for J-case fuses. I just grab it, guys, and pull it out. And this is the fuse. We have the replacement fuses, guys, listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So when you're ready to install it, all you have to do is get a 40 amp fuse and install it, guys. Okay, just like that. After that, it's very important that you do not forget, guys, okay, to actually install your cover. Why? Because if you do, guys, you will end up having, okay, and I didn't get it in good. You will end up having all that dust, moisture, humidity inside, and you may end up needing new fuse box. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.